If you bought an iPhone 17 in the last 6 months, you need to hear this. That $800 phone? Apple played you. They knew the $599 iPhone 17e was coming just weeks later. This isn't a mistake, it's the Apple strategy. Maximize profit from early buyers before releasing a mid-range flagship that threatens the premium models. The iPhone 17e isn't cheap. It's a flagship-tier device. Modern design, major camera upgrades, and performance on par with the iPhone 17. Your apps, gaming, and multitasking? Almost identical to Apple's top model, but at almost half the price. The 17e could even outperform Android flagships like the Galaxy S26, which cost over $1,200. Apple nailed the perception factor. The iPhone 17e will reportedly feature the Dynamic Island, finally replacing the notch, paired with a 6.1-inch OLED display. Deep blacks, vibrant colors, and a premium look, no one will guess you're holding the mid-range iPhone. On the camera side, the 17e reportedly jumps to an 18-megapixel selfie camera with center stage, perfect for video calls, social content, and landscape video recording. This upgrade alone makes the 17e an absolute steal. The only possible limitation? Screen refresh rate. Leaks suggest it may stay at 60 Hz to protect the Pro models, but even if it's 60 Hz, the value is unmatched. If Apple surprises us with 90 Hz, it's a no-brainer, you buy it immediately. My advice: wait, don't overspend on a device slightly better than what the 17e offers. Subscribe and turn on notifications. When the final specs drop, you'll know first. What do you think about the iPhone 17e? Will you wait? Comment below and let us know.